My people, welcome to Pidgin Science Tutor, the only place where you fit learn science for pidgin. Now, make I ask you, if person leave ball from up where you stay, wetin go happen? I know say you go dey think, you go fall, share? Yes, you go fall. Wetin make everything for this world dey fall down instead of flying up? Today, we go break am down, but one thing na gravity be the answer. So follow me as I take you through this journey. Wetin be gravity? Some of you dey ask this question, wetin be gravity? Now, gravity na one kind force wey dey pull everything go ground. Na him make you fit waka for road, na him make river water no dey just fly go sky, and na him make moon dey waka around the earth. E don tey wey people dey ask why things dey fall. One day, one scientist wey dem dey call Isaac Newton see apple fall for ground, and he begin to think, why dis apple no fly go up? Na so he come discover say earth wey we dey so get some powers wey dey always draw some things from up come down, and dat thing dem dey call am gravity. Okay, how dis gravity dey take work? Gravity dey because anything wey get weight dey pull things come body. But you come see say dis earth wey we dey so big pass everything wey dey near am. So the earth get big gravity wey dey try hold everything come ground. Now make I give una this small example. If you jump for earth, you go land back. But if you jump for moon, you go float small before you land. You know why? Because moon no get that kind strong gravity wey earth get. Oya, make we do one small experiment. Now, if you drop a ball and a feather, which one go land first? You go see say na the ball will land first, but the feather slow because of wetin they call air resistance. If I hold the ball and the feather, put them together, comot air inside, you go see say all of them go land the same time. Now, this is because air no fit slow am down again. Na this wey wetin one man wey dey call Galileo discover. He say everything suppose land at the same time from up, but air dey slow some of them down. So make we check out real life gravity and wetin e dey do. Gravity na why planet dem dey waka around the sun.